lock on back inside the aerobatic box. Look at that tight formation, keeping it right on each other's wings. Up and over the top for a finger four slide. Look at number 4, slide back down into the slot position and bring it from the finger four right in the middle of the barrel roll.
Now these airplanes are not air conditioned. These guys are sitting at, oh yes, inside that greenhouse, inside the airplane, gets all the heat off of that big old 1,340 cubic inch radial engine, wandering back in the cockpit of the airplane. Trust me, it's probably 135 degrees inside the cockpit right now.
But these guys are trained long and hard.